because this is welcome. Never mind. You know, you feel a certain way on the inside and then you look in the mirror and you basically scare yourself to death. Well, hello my lovely nestlings and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I'm 44 or 45, depending on when the series will start, from the Netherlands. And that is why I have a funky accent. So yeah, today is the intro to a new series that I'm going to do on my channel. And that is basically Makeup 101 for older skin. Why, you may ask? Well, because I feel that it's needed. That's basically it. And when I kind of ran the idea by you guys, or at least, yes, you, my subscribers, you seemed to really be interested in this. So yeah, this is the first episode and basically it is me telling you about the episodes that are coming, why, who I am to be doing this series and all that. So yeah, if you want to know all that and think this series will help you or someone that you know, make sure to share, hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you will be notified when the series goes online. I don't really know if I will upload one every week or one every 2 weeks. I haven't decided that as I'm filming it just yet. But yeah, let's start with who I am. Well, I already said that my name is Nikki. I'm 44 or 45, depending on when the series starts. I started my YouTube, well, I started makeup pretty late. I dabbled here and there in makeup and I wasn't that good at it. I'm not gonna lie. I had a foundation. I did my brows. I did do them every day, but yeah, and I did mascara and a lippy and an eyeliner if I felt like it. If I used foundation, it was basically foundation. I don't even think it was the correct shade. I think I had a blush, but that was about it. So yeah, a powder. Did I have a face powder? Yeah, I think I did. I don't know if I used it though. But yeah, bronzer, contour, highlight. I did not know that. If I used eyeshadow, I usually try to do a smoky eye. Wasn't very good at that either. So that just goes to show practice does make perfect, or at least makes it a lot easier to do said smoky eye. So yeah, that is I started pretty late with really looking at my skin. I was just about to turn 40 and I was like, stuff's happening. I don't really like it. And what was happening? I kind of, you know, you feel a certain way on the inside and then you look in the mirror and you basically scare yourself to death. Yeah, that was what happened to me. I looked at myself and I was like, yeah, but how I feel inside or how I feel that I look is not really the same as what I see in the mirror. You need to do something about that. So yeah, that's basically when everything started. I started looking more into skincare, because what was my skincare routine? Are you sitting down? It was washing my face with hand soap in the morning. If I felt like it, and I slept on a moisturizer because my face felt really, really dry, which is not really weird if you wash your face with hand soap now, is it? And then if I felt like it and I didn't forget, I would either wash my face at the end of the evening. If I showered, I wash my face anyway. But yeah, usually then with body wash, because that was what I used. And that was basically my skincare routine. So yeah, it wasn't really weird that my skin was, oh yeah, sunscreen I used in the height of summer when I wanted to lay in the sun. That was, so it's not really weird that I had some issues when I started taking care of my skin. I had some hyperpigmentation, which I still have. And it gets worse in summer, but it is just the way that it is. Yeah, what can you do about it? I had sun damage in my face. My face was very, very dehydrated. My skin barrier was very compromised as well. So yeah, I had a lot of issues to take care of. And that was why my face looked really, I don't know, dry, like potato skin that you put out in, you know, dried out potato skin. That's kind of how my skin felt, which again is not really weird now, is it? So yeah, basically I then started looking into skincare, and that was also around the time, a little after that, I started my YouTube channel. And I learned a lot in that time, and I felt like I wanted to do this series earlier, but now I feel like I'm, I don't know, more qualified. I don't know. But yeah, so that is a little bit about how my journey started. Am I a makeup artist? Nope, I am not. I have not gone to school for this. I don't know. I see the way that my skin reacts and the way that things... If you look at a YouTube video from especially if you're older and you look at a YouTube video from, I don't know, one of my friends, you know, and they apply makeup, but they are in their 30s. Their skin behaves differently. And that is what I noticed. I also know that a lot of people are talking about buffing foundation. No. We will touch on that in the foundation episode. Don't do that if you have older skin. You don't want to move it too much because, say it with me, what happens if you move kind of looser skin too much? It hangs, like the boobies, you know? So yeah, we don't want to do that. So that is what I really noticed, even in the 4 years that I have been doing makeup and really looking at my skin every single day and then looking at my skin again when I'm editing. I notice, especially now, even though it's only 4 years, that I really need to change up my application. And that is what I want to tell you guys about and show you how I found what I found works for me best. And again, I am not a makeup artist. I am just someone who is talking from my experience. That also means that you may not have the same experience as me. I also have friends that are my age that don't have the skin that is maybe a little bit looser here. If you are older and you have something done to your face, I don't know, you know, the lifting part, it is also tightened up a little bit. So maybe what I'm saying does not really apply to you there, but maybe you can learn something from it. Also, if you are younger and I don't know, feel like things just doesn't seem to work for you the way that they work for others your age, maybe this video series can be for you as well. So it is geared towards older skin, but not just for older skin. Does that make any sense? I hope so. I'm feeling very, very excited. And yeah, today I made notes, which is, if you know me, kind of weird because I don't plan a lot. That has a reason. Because usually if I plan, I can just throw it out the window. So why do I plan anyway? But I basically I have written down what I want to do. And I have already filmed some of the application techniques. Because what I want to do is I want to talk about products, but I also want to show you application. Except for the skincare part. Because skincare, yeah, I don't know if it is beneficial if you just see me tap stuff on my face. I will tell you about it and I will tell you how I do it. And if you really want maybe a more in-depth skincare video on why I use the products that I use, let me know and I will put it on the list. But basically, what does this entail? Let me check. So far I have 14 episodes. Wow. Yes, I know. The first one is, well, that's actually then 15 because this is the welcome. Welcome. Never mind. Then the one after this, so the first real one of the series, is going to be the prep. And prep entails, well, basically prepping. No makeup yet, but your skincare. Why I use certain ingredients that I use. And that. Not just the skincare, but also, I don't know, sunscreens. I will tell you a little bit about the ones that I like. Also drinking, eating, you know. Basically prepping everything, because if you have a sucky canvas, you have a sucky painting, you know. That was basically the thought process behind it. Then the second episode is going to be a tools episode for the face, because I think it's handy to know the reason behind the tools that I use, and not specifically that you need to go out and buy said tools, but maybe you have something in your collection or you have a similar shape, because it doesn't need to be the same brand, you know. So that's episode 2. Then we go to primers for the face. So we're starting with face, the primers, why I have certain primers and that. Then we have a foundation and concealer episode, and then we have cream sculpting. Yes, I have one for setting powders, I have one for powder sculpting, so basically the powder products, the blush, the highlight, and all that goodness. I have then another tools video for the eye brushes, and then we go to eye primers, eyeshadows, and in the eyeshadow that one is going to be focused on placement and blending. And then I will have something a little bit more fancy, which is the cut crease. I'm doing this cut crease because I don't really do cut creases like like normal. And I will touch on that more in that video. I don't use concealer to do a cut crease, and that has a reason. It's all about consistency and light layers and all that. It's almost like I'm going to bake a cake with Mary Berry. But that does not matter. I would love to bake a cake with Mary Berry, by the way, but that's neither here nor there. I'm into the British baking show, can you tell? And then we have, I have planned another eye video for winged liner. Now I have a winged liner tutorial on my channel, but I thought let's put it in the video because it kind of fits the series, you know, so I will do another one. And then I want to do one for falsies, not specifically only the application, but also the placement and maybe a little bit about looking at your eye shape and such. I don't really know how I'm going to fill that one in, but that's the plan at least. And then the last one is going to be lips, because I feel that lips kind of finish everything off. Now I really don't know what I want to talk to you guys about lip wise, because I'm not that proficient in lippies, just so you know. It looks very cutesy, but it can take me a half an hour, and I'm not even kidding. So yeah, that is basically what I am planning for this video series. Now you kind of heard me mention the different episodes and what they entail. If you have things that you really want me to chat about, let me know, and yeah, I will try to incorporate that. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. I'm very excited about the series. I hope I have given a little bit of information. Basically, I am just, yeah, as I said, not a makeup artist, but I am skilled in doing my makeup. Not on other people, but on me and the way that my skin changes. And I really think that I can help you guys with this as well. So yeah, I'm very excited. Let me know down below what you think of it. This was it for today. Let me go to the side and give a special thank you to my members that you will see scrolling on the screen right now. If you want to become a member, there is a link to join in the description box. There's also a link to my merch store. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button if you haven't done so already. Especially if you want to know more about this series, share it with your friends. Tell people that you think can benefit from this, That was, wow. That was what I wanted to say. English, not my first language. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to wish you a fantastic day, a fabulous evening. I forgot to say what I have on my eyeballs, didn't I? Again, I have the Midas Cosmetics Artistry Volume 2 on the eyeballs. I think the video is up. If it is, I will link it. If it is not, it is coming very soon. I'm going to wish you a fantastic day, a fabulous evening. May your foundation always match your neck, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye guys.